Gagajoy. Gagajoy's cooking. I just got through making the no-bake cookies and without peanut butter. Now I'm going to make them with peanut butter. There you need 3 cups of oatmeal, a cup of peanut butter, a 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, half a cup of milk, and 2 cups of sugar, and 1 stick of butter. I've got the butter on my stove so it would sort of be heating up before I added everything, which you don't add everything at one time. You want to add your butter, your cream, 2 cups of sugar, and a 1/4 cup of cocoa. Now that's got to come to a boil. I'm doing it on this side right now because it seems to do better. Anyway, it only takes, when it starts to boil, it's 1 minute. Okay, I'm guessing it a minute. How badly could I go wrong? 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Be careful because it pops up. Put half your eggs in. And now our peanut butter. I'm using peanut butter without nuts, so you can use nuts in it. It's actually very good. Of course, I just love peanut butter. Okay. Now we're about there. Okay, let's start dipping. You can make your cookies as big as you want to, as small as you want to. Any size will do. And you might want to make a shape to them. I used to make them huge because the kids eat them huge, but a lot of people put cookies in the mail and send them to their grandchildren and stuff. This is a good one to do it. It's a very tough candy. I'm going to mash it down a little bit. They're all set up. They're not cool yet. This one is set up real good. Now, a lot of people add peanut butter, which makes a big change in it. I made these just with chocolate. There's a good recipe for peanut butter. I might try that too. But I've got a daughter that doesn't like nuts and peanut butter, so this is basically for her. So, I've had a good day. I love candy season. I love this time of year. Remember the joy this week and the people that we need to be concerned about. Take care of yourself. Subscribe, ring that bell. See you soon.